What's up, guys? My name is Phil. Welcome back to Miranda Detailing. As you can see, it is hot and humid out. Yeah. So we have in the shop this beautiful Mercedes S550. It's in for a paint enhancement and a ceramic sealant. No ceramic coatings on this one. We're going to focus on polishing the paint, making it look incredible. It's jet black and it has some issues going on. Guys, if you're enjoying the videos, and I hope you are, consider subscribing and clicking that bell so you don't miss stuff. So here's what we're going to do in this video to quicken things up. We have a storm coming. We got to get this thing washed and deconned and in the garage quickly. So I'm not going to show a lot of the actual wash process. If you want to see our usual wash process, I have plenty of videos on that. I'll link one in the card. I'm probably going to be filming the rest of this tomorrow because it's actually the afternoon on today. Does that make sense? It's the afternoon today. And then tomorrow is when we're going to focus on the whole polishing and everything because we have some other stuff going on today.
People don't need to know that.
People don't need to know that. I know, but I don't know. They're going to see a different shirt. They're going to be like, why'd you change your shirt? I'm like, I don't.
Money isn't real. Doesn't matter. It only seems like it does.
So it's the next day. Let's take a look at the Mercedes to see what we're dealing with. Now you can already see in the lights, ooh, it is not looking good. And you put one of our hand lights on it and it looks even worse. So this has been attacked by a rotary polisher improperly, not finished down. It's everywhere. Look at that. That is insane. Oh yeah. Well, at least the top is mostly glass, so that's good. This is the only bit of paint here, and it looks horrible. And the only bit of paint here, but we have damage. This has to be repainted. Nothing we can do there. Oh, man, look at that. That is crazy. So we have quite the job to do today. Let's transform this thing. Let's make it look awesome once again. An S550 should not look like this. Yeah, we're going to remove that plate as well to polish behind there. These two doors don't look as bad. They weren't attacked by the polisher until you get here. Oh, look. Look at this.
Oh, that is
What?
Why?
What did they do here? How? Why? Where? When? Woo. And here's some more damage up here. So obviously that's nothing that we can fix. So let's test some products. Let's see what we can do. So average readings, I'm seeing from just under 4 in some spots to 5.5 mils, which means it's not repainted. And I thought the hood was. It corrected so easily. I'm going to show you in just a second. But I just took some readings, and wifey's going to take readings on the door on the passenger side because it's the worst. Oh,
3.
Wow. 3, yeah, right there.
Yikes.
So yes, we do have some thin paint. We're not cutting heavily on this at all. This is a paint enhancement. We're using the orange pad. We're using F601 from Kosh Chemie. And I also have a variety of other polishes here. The DA Fine. I have the Oberk Soul. I also have EOD's, Phoenix EOD's Fabulous Polish. But we're just using an orange pad, and check out the results. Oh yes, that's awesome. It's cutting out these horrible defects and finishing down incredibly well. So already making a huge improvement. The Merc is almost done. Look how incredible it is looking. Now, the paint on this was surprisingly easy to work with. The bottom portions are just trashed, and the paint is actually pretty thin, so I didn't go crazy trying to get all of the marks down there. You'll see in just a moment. But what I wanted to do here was focus on all that nasty hologramming and the heavy stuff. What's left here is light. Once again, it's a paint enhancement, not a correction. And check out the results. Oh, so nice. Way, way nicer. Oh, you know what? Oops, that's a little bit of residue I need to wipe right around there. But you see all the little marks in the hood? Yeah, it's just pitting, and it's just in rough shape. So there's nothing I can do about all those little pits. I wanted to get the majority of the heavy stuff out, and that's what we accomplished. So as we go down the sides here, you'll see, oh yeah, it looks much better there. See, there's deep scratches. When you put the lights on it, you can definitely see more, but we got all that hologramming out of there. You don't see that anymore. That's just residue I need to wipe down there. Man, it looks really good. Now I know these lights bring out a lot of defects that you don't see with the naked eye, and the camera also does. But when you pull it out into the sun, it looks way better. So down the sides here, if you remember how bad it was before with all the holograms, these two doors don't look as bad. They weren't attacked by the polisher until you get here. Oh, look at this.
Oh, that is
What?
horrible.
Yeah, we don't have that. This door, oh, so much better. Now, wifey is working on wheels and tires. I'm going to protect this with a ceramic sealant. And here's what we're going to use. Ethos Pro Ceramic Wax. I'm going to machine apply it. This will be a fast and efficient application. I am extremely happy with the way this one turned out, and it is still hot and humid today. It's the beginning of August 2022, if you're wondering when this was filmed. We are in the midst of hot and humid summer. We have these thunderstorms that are like on and off throughout the day, throughout the weeks. It doesn't stop us though. We keep on rolling. Good thing we have the garage. We just crank the AC and get the fans blowing in here, and it definitely cools it down. But the more that we work around the vehicle and you know, move, the humidity still just kind of gets to you and it heats up in here. Plus, these lights, super powerful lights. You can get them at Car Supply's warehouse, but they do heat up. That's the only con to them, is they, even though they're LEDs, it's the module itself that heats up. They do have internal fans that keep them cool, but the light itself, it produces heat. So, you know, that's just what happens. When you're polishing vehicles, you need light. Light produces heat. It's a vicious circle. Besides that, look how awesome this thing turned out. The customer's gonna be blown away when he sees this thing. So if you have any questions or comments, let me know down below. If you're interested in any of the tools or the products, like usual, check out the links down below. But also, visit our products and tools website. I'll have it linked in the card, but I'll also have it down below. It's a new page on our website, and I'm trying to update that as much as possible with the most used tools and products that we have on there. And what I also have on there are links to our merchandise. So our shirts, our mugs, all sorts of cool stuff, as well as free forms. So I have 2 free forms on there, our customer acknowledgement form in a document format, as well as a customer vehicle sign-off form. So those 2 are free documents that you can download. I think they're great for any detailer, but especially detailers that deal with a lot of annoying customers. protect yourself and have those forms. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell so you don't miss stuff. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you in the next one.